Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to remove Doodles from the chat background on WhatsApp web using your PC. If you're looking for a cleaner and more personalized chat experience, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. You can do this by visiting the official WhatsApp web page and scanning the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're on WhatsApp web, look to the left side of the screen. There's a menu where you'll find a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Next, navigate to the Chat section within Settings. Once there, you'll see an option called Wallpaper. Click on it to access your chat wallpaper settings. Now, here's the key step. Locate the option labeled WhatsApp Doodle. This option adds those doodle patterns to your chat background. To remove them, simply disable this option by toggling it off. And that's it. You've successfully removed the doodles from your chat background on WhatsApp web. Your chats will now have a clean and distraction-free look, making them more visually appealing and professional. Feel free to explore other wallpaper options or leave it plain for a minimalist style. Thank you for following along. If this tutorial helped you, share it with others who might find it useful. Happy chatting!